Hey guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing today? I am super tired. I had to work outside of the home today, and I've been also doing a lot of cleaning up around my house this morning before I left to work. So I came home. It's just me and the princess here. I'm gonna make her something to eat real quick. A quick lunch of peach yogurt and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We're both having the same for lunch. Then I'm gonna lay down and take a nap for a little bit because I am exhausted. I hope you guys' day is going good. And I want to say thank you for all the well wishes from my previous video yesterday's video about the fat shaming and, you know, family treating me less than. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is, but I'm not gonna let them, you know, bring me down. So I will continue to do me and work on my weight, and not because of them, but because I've always gone through this like all my life since I've had kids. So I'm gonna continue to fight the good fight. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog for the night. I know I really didn't vlog today. I am super tired. I'm watching Kingin' It with Tyga, and I'm gonna lay in bed and relax because I'm not really feeling well. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.